Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Shomrita Paul and you are watching Shomrita Pal Food Vlog. So, today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable chicken curry. So, if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button and watch this video till end because this is an amazing recipe. So, please watch this video till end. Let's start this recipe and let's see what are the ingredients. So let's start. At first we have marinated this chicken with some curd and salt and kept it for 2 hours. So here is the ingredients. As you can see, I have taken capsicum and I have taken some red chilies and here is some carrots. You can take according to your choice. You can take any veggies and I have only taken here capsicum, carrots and chilies. So here we have cut the tomatoes and here is the chilies and we have cut the carrots, capsicums. All ingredients are ready. So we will start the recipe now. And before that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. So let's start. We will heat up some mustard oil. We will add some cardamom and fry it. And now we will add some onions. So we will give it. All are given as you can see. And now we will little bit stir it. Fry it until it turns into golden brown color. So as you can see, it is done. It is turned into golden brown. We will not fry these onions very much. Now we will add the marinated chicken one by one. As you can see, we are adding. Now totally adding is done. You can see. So the bubbles are forming. You can see it. Now we are adding red chilies. You can add green chilies, no problem, same taste. So we will stir it. Now add some carrots. And now add some capsicums and stir it all together. Check that it mixes with the chicken curry. So it is mixing. Add some chopped tomatoes or cut tomatoes and give it. So we will stir it. See, we are stirring it and it is mixing well with the chicken and with the another veggies too. Now if you wish, you can add sugar. We are adding sugar, 2 spoons. No adding salt. Stir it well and check the sugar properly. Add water and stir it up all together. Add some black pepper because it is ready. Stir it all together for a good taste. So the bubbles are forming. I hope you like my recipe. Please try it in your home. Please do like, comment, share and do subscribe and share with your friends. So that's it for the day. Bye bye. Thank you. Coming up with the new recipe again. Bye bye.